Appfolio as well as Hemlane are both fantastic property management software systems. However, for each different use case, you may need different features. Today, we're going to have a look at both of the software and we're going to figure out which one you as an individual should be using. So let's do it. So let's jump straight into Appfolio now. So Appfolio offers tools to manage any property portfolio. It combines accounting, leasing, and maintenance solutions. This can help users track performance metrics. The next thing we're going to look at is its diverse portfolio management. So you can manage residential, commercial, as well as student portfolios. You can combine accounting, leasing, and maintenance efforts, and you can track occupancy, rent collection, expenses, and a whole bunch more. You can manage a portfolio of more than 200 units with a single intuitive dashboard. It gives you automated rent collection, so you can set up automatic payments as well as reminders. It tracks expenses and generates vendor payments, and it gives you a bank reconciliation, budgeting, and a forecasting tool, which can help you move forward and not spend time on boring, mundane things. Its automated late fee implementation can also increase on-time payments by 25%, which is great. It offers online leasing. Okay, so it's streamlining the application process, which is great. It runs credit checks and background checks, and you can use digital signatures for all of your lease agreements and any other documentation. Their online portal reduces the leasing cycle from 14 days down to 5 days, which is great. That means you've got a whole bunch more time to do what's important. Let's have a look at Hemlane now. So if you're looking for top level property management, this is where it's at. So first of all, you can streamline your tenant management processes. So you can easily access tenant contact details absolutely anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. You can track lease agreements as well as payment histories, and you can manage maintenance requests quickly and easily. Also, their maintenance requests. It simplifies the management process with a centralized request system. Tenants can easily submit requests, ensuring quick responses and streamline their communication with your property manager. Also, the system enhances efficiency and tenant satisfaction, enabling prompt action on requests while keeping everything organized and accessible in one location. They also have fantastic financial reporting. So with Hemlane, you can actually easily gain insights through detailed financial reports that can help you manage your property investment effectively and efficiently. This is like taking data and allowing it to help you make future decisions rather than hoping and guessing on future trends. So if you are looking for property management, one of the software that we had a look at today will be a solution for you. The key takeaway really is to go and try it out, see what actually works in a real life scenario, and then use it for a little while and test if it's efficient. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we will see you next time.